Types of viral infections. What is a virus? Viruses are unicellular organisms having protein-coded protein genetic material, such as DNA or RNA. The spread of a dangerous virus inside the body is what is referred to as a viral infection. The viral illness's symptoms are brought on by host immunity-related tissue damage. The following viral infections. Viral respiratory illnesses. Infections of the nose, lungs, and airways are caused by respiratory viruses. They spread through the inhalation of virus-containing droplets. The spread of respiratory diseases can be stopped by frequently washing your hands, covering your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing, and avoiding contact with infected persons. Disinfecting hard surfaces and avoiding touching your mouth, nose, or eyes also contribute. Rhinovirus. Along with 200 other viruses, this is the one that typically brings on the common cold. The typical duration of symptoms like coughing, sneezing, headaches, and sore throats is 2 weeks. Influenza season. An important portion of the population worldwide is impacted by this. Body aches and extreme weariness are among the symptoms, which are more severe than those of a cold. Syncytial respiratory virus. Both lower respiratory tract infections and upper respiratory illnesses, such as colds, can be brought on by this virus. Pneumonia. Infants, toddlers, and the elderly can all experience severe cases. Skin viral infections. Symptoms of viral skin infections include pimples or rashes. These viruses are spread through skin-to-skin contact, while some are also airborne. You run the risk of contracting these viral diseases if you use shared towels or public swimming pools. Contagiosum molluscum. Children aged 1 to 10 years have little flesh-colored pimples as a result. It can, however, spread to persons of any age. Without therapy, the bumps often go away after 6 to 12 months. Herpes simplex virus type 1. The cold sore virus is the culprit. By kissing or sharing food or drinks with an infected individual, it is spread by saliva. Genital herpes is caused by HSV-2. Chickenpox is caused by the varicella-zoster virus, VZV, which also causes fever, tiredness, and itchy, oozy blisters. The 98% effective vaccine can help you avoid this. The same virus that causes chickenpox puts those who have already had it at risk for developing shingles later in life. Viruses that are spread by food. Food poisoning is typically caused by viruses, some of which are more dangerous than others. Viral gastroenteritis is the term used to describe the symptoms. Viral infections that are spread through food are done so via the fecal-oral pathway. This indicates that the virus spreads to people when they consume viral particles that were passed through an infected person's feces. When a person who is sick with this kind of virus doesn't wash their hands after using the bathroom, they run the risk of infecting others when they shake hands, touch anything hard, or handle food. The transmission of infection may also be aided by contaminated hepatitis A. The liver is impacted by this viral infection for a few weeks to several months. Jaundice, a yellowish coloring of the skin and conjunctiva, as well as nausea, anorexia, and diarrhea, are symptoms. Rotavirus. Dehydration may result from the acute watery diarrhea brought on by the rotavirus. It typically affects infants and young children. STIs, sexually transmitted infections, viral infections that are sexually transmitted or disseminated through contact with bodily fluids or blood. By refraining from having sex, engaging in monogamous relationships, or having sex with a partner who does not have an STD, the risk of transferring these infections can be decreased. While using a condom lowers the risk, it does not totally eliminate the possibility of contracting an STD. Other measures to lower the risk include limiting the number of sexual partners and avoiding intravenous substances. Hepatitis B. This results in liver inflammation and is spread by infected bodily fluids. When infected, some people don't exhibit any symptoms, while others may experience nausea, vomiting, and jaundice. A chronic infection called hepatitis B can result in liver cancer. 90% of people are protected from this virus by the vaccine. Herpes genitalis. HSV-2 is more frequently to blame, and HSV-1 is less frequently. This causes recurrent, uncomfortable blisters and is incurable. Antiviral drugs provide some comfort. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. The immune system cells are impacted by this virus. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome is brought on by the disease's progression, which lowers the body's capacity to fend off infections or diseases. AIDS. Thank you. Stay safe.